The 1011 blast probe is now centered around here. The Al Falah University in Faridabad near the capital. This is where Dr. Shaheen, Dr. Umar, Dr. Muzammil hatched the terror conspiracy. NDTV has accessed images from inside the Al Falah campus. It is here at building number 17, room number 13, that Dr. Muzammil would hold meetings. It's here that the three doctors plotted to carry out a big strike. Sources tell NDTV the doctors planned to plant 32 car bombs and a big strike on 6 December, the anniversary of the Babri Masjid demolition. The plan was to trigger coordinated serial blasts in Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. The doctors of terror pooled in 26 lakh rupees and handed it to Dr. Umar, the Red Fort serial bomber. Faculty members at the university allegedly acquired chemicals from the lab that were used to make explosive material.
डॉक्टर शाहीन सईद जो है वो अपनी जो क्लासेस थी वो क्लासेस में भी जो अटेंडेंस लगती थी वो अटेंडेंस नहीं लगाती थी और ये कहा जाता है कि वो जब उनके जो हेड तक भी हैं वो भी कई बार उन्होंने शिकायत कर दी है कि ये बिल्कुल अनुशासन में नहीं रहती थी, ये अलग ही तरीके से रहती थी, अब कोई अपनी बात किसी की भी नहीं मानती थी, सिर्फ अपनी ही मानती थी। शाहीन सईद है वो ये तक भी उन्होंने कहा है अपने ही कुलीगों से कि मेरा तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ कुछ ही टाइम वक्त में तो अपना टाइम एक तरीके से गुजार रही हूँ, असल जो मेरी जो वक्त होता है जो काम करती हूँ वो मैं 4 बजे के बाद करती हूँ।
Top government sources have told NDTV that the government has ordered an enforcement directorate probe into the funding of Al Falah University. Financial investigation agencies have now swung into action. A forensic audit of the university's accounts has also been ordered. The Economic Offences Wing has been asked to examine the functioning of the university as well. With Anushka Garg in Faridabad, NDTV Bureau Report.